The best espresso machine on a budget. If you are looking for a quality espresso machine on a budget, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will take a look at some of the best espresso machines on the market that won't break the bank. First up is the DeLonghi Dedica espresso machine. This affordable machine is capable of making quality espresso drinks, and it comes with a built-in frother for making lattes and cappuccinos. It also has an exclusive deal with Illy Coffee, so you can be sure that your espresso will taste great. Price starts at $291. If you are willing to spend a bit more, then the Breville BES 870 XL Barista Express espresso machine is a great option. This machine comes with a built-in grinder, so you can get fresh coffee beans for your espresso. It also has a milk frother and steamer, so you can make lattes and cappuccinos easily. Price starts at $478.46. Finally, if you want the best of the best, then the Ranzilio Silvia espresso machine is the way to go. This machine is made with professional-grade materials, and it comes with a powerful steam wand for making excellent espresso drinks. It also has a built-in grinder, so you can get fresh coffee beans for your espresso. Price starts at $830.00. These are just some of the best espresso machines on the market. Be sure to do your research and find the one that fits your needs and budget. With a little bit of effort, you can find an excellent machine that will help you make quality espresso drinks at home. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.